Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with AUTOMOTIVE. Today I got a 2013 Ford Edge Sel all-wheel drive, clean CARFAX, one owner. I'm going to walk you around it real fast and show you some features on it. All right, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. There's no scrapes or scuffs on the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. Now we've also we've completed the inspection on this vehicle. We're also going to put a 30-day warranty on it as well too. This Edge is extremely clean inside and out. It's a non-smoker. There's no rips or tears in the seats. There's no funny smells inside of this car. No cracks or fading in the dash. Carpet's very clean as well too. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. All right, here's your back seat. Again, no rips or tears back here. There's no funny smells. This thing's been very well taken care of. Another shot of your rims and tires. All right, you are going to have backup sensors on this Edge, so when you're backing up, it's just going to alert you if there's an object back there. So always good to have, and it is going to be all-wheel drive, so it'll be good in the wintertime as well too. Plenty of room back here for storage. You can fold the seats down flat if you need a little more room. You actually have the power fold, so you just got to hold down the buttons, and it'll fold the seats down flat for you. Pretty nice to have there. Another shot of your rims and tires. No rips or tears in the seat. Alright, this is a 2013 Ford Edge CARFAX, one owner. It's also a clean CARFAX too. Our shops went through and inspected this vehicle. Everything came out okay. We're also going to put a 30-day warranty on it as well too. We do have financing available with rates as low as 4.24. We also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Alright, let's hop inside and look around a little more. Of course, you have power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. Again, no rips or tears in your driver's seat. This is overall a really nice car inside and out. Got the nice screen inside of here. Got the bigger screen inside. You are going to have heated seats on this Edge as well too. You're also going to have dual temperature control, so your passengers set one temperature and you'll be able to set yours as well too. Now you have all your controls mounted here on the steering wheel. You are going to have cruise control, of course, and you have Bluetooth, so you're going to be able to sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls, all that good stuff. Guys, if you have any questions on this 2013 Ford Edge Sel all-wheel drive, clean CARFAX, one owner, please give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Just let me know how I can help you out, and I'll be more than happy to do anything I can for you. All right, see you guys.